In Manipur, the Chief Minister, N. Biren Singh, wrote on a social media site about a problem he sees with certain tribes growing too much in population. He thinks this is a danger to the local people and the country's safety. In the social media post, N. Biren Singh claimed that there was a massive influx of illegal immigrants from 2006 onwards, alleging that they had destroyed forest cover to build their new settlements and grow poppy.
danger or danger
Not to mention, these illegal immigrants have started encroaching on the resources, job opportunities, land, and the rights of indigenous people, the CM said, adding, "We have started collecting biometric data of the illegal immigrants as well as geotagging of their settlements. I appeal to everyone in the country to support the government in keeping our nation safe and secure from illegal immigrants." He compared his government's actions to control immigration with what the UK government is doing. There's been more violence in Manipur lately, with attacks on security forces and fights between different groups. This conflict has been going on since 3rd May 2023 and has caused a lot of deaths, injuries, and people having to leave their homes. The Chief Minister also talked about how there are many new villages popping up, especially in certain areas, because of what he says is illegal immigration from Myanmar. He says almost 1,000 new villages have appeared because of this. The Kukizo people in Manipur say these new villages are just following their traditions. The Chief Minister claims that since 2006, a lot of people have come into Manipur illegally and are causing problems like destroying forests and growing illegal crops.
biometric eye scan
He says they are also taking away jobs and land from local people. He says they're collecting information about these illegal immigrants and their settlements to deal with the problem. He also mentioned how the British government is dealing with illegal immigration, and he thinks his government is doing the same thing, but some people are criticizing them for it. He wants everyone to support their efforts to keep the country safe from illegal immigration.